Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Yvonne with the CEO and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make apple pies. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our apple pies is super simple. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First, we're going to make our pie crust. Get 2 sticks or 226 grams of frozen unsalted butter. Grate it with a cheese grater. If you have a food processor with a cheese grater attachment, feel free to use it. But if you don't have a food processor like me, let's just enjoy the pain and agony grating this butter. Once you grated your ice cold butter, in a mixing bowl, add 10 ounces or 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, give it a quick mix, and finally add your grated butter. Then give it a toss so that your butter is coated with flour. Finally, we add our ice cold water. Basically, we're going to add a tablespoon at a time until it starts to hold its shape. Then gently gather them into one cohesive mass. Don't worry if your dough is too dry, because the dough will hydrate while it's in the fridge. So that's what we're going to do right now. After that, wrap it with plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, your pie dough is nice and firm. At this point, we want to work this quick because it'll be too hard to handle it. Trust me, I've been there. Start preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While that's heating up, flour your work surface, then roll it out to your desired thickness. Once you rolled out your desired specifications, grab your rolling pin and wrap your pie dough, then gently drop it into your pie tin, and then lift the sides of the dough and gently drop it into the sides of the tin so that it won't have an open gap once it's baked. After you add your pie dough into the tin, grab a tin foil and put it on top and add your choice of rice as weights. Why, if you're probably asking? So that your dough won't be in a soggy situation. After that, bake it for 12 to 15 minutes or until lightly brown. 12 to 15 minutes later, you can now take out the tin foil and the rice and start poking the bottom of your crust with a fork. Then bake it for 7 to 9 minutes. After that, take it out from the oven and leave it aside. Now let's make our pie filling. Take 4 medium-sized apples and peel the outer skin, then cut the apples flesh off the core and slice them into half-inch pieces. After you've sliced all 4 apples, squeeze half a lemon juice so that your apples won't turn brown. In a mixing bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 lemon zest, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and finally add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix to evenly incorporate everything. Then add your apples and mix it to evenly coat with the mixture. And there you go. That's our pie filling. After you made your pie filling, dunk the filling into the pie crust, then spread it evenly. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes later, let it chill for 2 to 3 hours or until they're completely cooled. This is by far the best pies you'll ever make. Well, there you have it, my friends. That's how you make apple pies. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!